So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Friday the 29th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go in the future. So, what we did see was we have seen this continued sell-off from in the US dollar against Canadian dollar. We've the upper end of the we've had quite a bit of resistance up at 129. What we did see was quite a bit of selling side momentum take us all the way down to the lower end of the we were developing a bit of a trading range on the US dollar against Canadian dollar. Lower end of the trading range was in around this 127. We did see a few positive reactions around this 127, but we've seen the further continued sell-off. We came down towards this 126.70 again. What we have seen is we've had a very persistent and strong sell-off in the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So we've come up towards we've tested out 26.70 from above, and what we have seen is further sell side momentum. We came down to our a previous swing in the market in around 126.22. And again, in around 126.22, surprisingly enough, we didn't see any bullish buy side momentum come in the market. It is about level marked out here in red, but we didn't see any bullish buy side momentum come into the market. We did trade below it. We did have go into a bit of a trading range here, a small. I wouldn't say it's just trading range so much. Price is consolidated just by the just slightly beneath this 126.22. And we have seen a further break and a further sell side momentum come into the market. So the very next level that we were targeting, we did mention in the previous video, but we'll just mention it again here in this video, and also look at levels that we are looking to target to the downside. So currently at 25.62, but the level that we are looking at is a weekly pivot in around this 25.30. So we see our price react towards 25.30, where we do see some bullish buy side momentum coming in the market for us to trade all the way up to possibly this close to this 26.22. We may not get up towards that 26.22 if we head towards that 25.30. We may get up towards possibly 126 at a push. But 25.30 is the level that we are looking at, weekly pivot in the market. If we aren't able to hold 25.30, the very next level that we were looking at would be the 125. The reason we're looking at 125, likely going to be a psychological level. We might see some bullish buy side momentum coming off that 125. And yeah, we might see some bullish buy side momentum coming after 125. A move beyond 125, we'll see a price react towards a 125.30 before projections towards that 126. If, however, we don't see a reaction, or we do break down from this 125, the very next level beneath is in around 24.86. So it's currently we're looking at from this 25.30 to this 86. We are looking at almost 50 or so pips, not quite 50 pips, but pretty close. A breakdown from 24.86. I wouldn't anticipate much of a breakdown from 24.86, but the level below 24.86 is all the way down at 24.26. And yeah, can't anticipate price moving out, going all the way down to 24.26 unless we do have quite a bit of market volatility. But the levels that we are possibly looking at is 24.86, possibly being the far end of the range if we do break down from 25.30 and 25. Now, if we do see bullish buy side momentum come into the market before either we get down to this 25.30, or when we do get down to 25.30, we've already mentioned this 126 or this 126.22 to the upside. Move beyond those is pretty obvious. We're looking at this 26.70, but I don't anticipate 26.70 coming into focus. Possibly we're looking at 26.22 being the far end of the range. If we do see quite a bit of volatility, we may head towards that 26.70, but I don't anticipate it coming into focus. And yes, that should pretty much just wrap up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.